Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. Databases are the backbone of modern technology, driving everything from the social media to e-commerce. But have you ever wondered what makes them so fast, reliable, and scalable? All comes down with data structure behind the scenes. Today we will explore 11 incredible data structures that power databases and make them magic happens. Let's dive right into it. Number first, hash indexes. These are used for quickly lookup by mapping keys to their corresponding value using hash functions. Imagine them as a ultimate cheat sheet finding data in milliseconds. Perfect for the scenario where exact matches are critical, like searching for a user by their ID. Number 2, skip list. The skip lists are probabilistic data structures that enhance the efficiency of the linked list. Skip lists allow faster search, faster insertion, and faster deletion operations. They achieve this by maintaining multiple layers of the linked list, where higher layer act as an express lane to skip over multiple elements that reduces the search time. Number third, inverted index, the backbone for the search engines. An inverted index is a data structure used to map content like word to a location where they appear, enabling fast full text searches instead of storing data in sequentially. It maintains a dictionary of terms, each pointing to list of document ID containing that term. Number fourth, B trees, the backbone of database indexing. A B tree is a self-balancing multi-way search tree designed for the efficient storage and retrieval of the large dataset, especially on the disk-based systems. Unlike binary trees, B trees store multiple keys in each nodes, reducing number of disk accesses. Number fifth, Bloom filters, a space-efficient probabilistic data structures. A Bloom filter is a memory-efficient data structures used to test whether an element is possibly present in a set or definitely absent. It uses multiple hash functions to map element to a bit array. Unlike traditional datasets, Bloom filter doesn't store actual data. It reduces space usage significantly. Number 6, MemTable, a high-speed write buffer in databases. A MemTable is an in-memory data structure used in databases to temporarily store writes before flushing them to disk. It is an essential part of log structure merge, that is LSM tree, commonly used in NoSQL databases like Cassandra, LabelDB, and RocksDB. Number 7, Bitmap index. A bitmap index is a data structure that uses bitmap arrays to efficiently index and query large datasets, especially for the low cardinality fields, that is filled with few unique values. Instead of storing row pointers, it represents each distinct value as a separate bit of vectors, where 1 indicate presence and 0 indicate absent in a row. Number 8, SSTables are sorted string tables, are immutable data structure used in databases like LabelDB and Cassandra. They store sorted key value pairs on the disk, making read super efficient and write simple with combined with MemTables. Number 9th, prefix tree. A prefix tree is a specialized tree-based data structures used for efficient string searching, auto-completion, and dictionary operations. It stores words or sequence in a hierarchical manner where each node represents a character in a word. Number 10th, WAL, that is write ahead log. Databases need to be reliable even in the event of a crash. That's where write ahead log, that is WAL, comes in. They record all the changes before apply them, ensuring data consistency and easy recovery. Think of WAL as a black box of a database. Number 11th, suffix trees. The suffix trees are the specialized trees are used in pattern matching and substring searching, making them essential in bioinformatics, text indexing, and data compression algorithms. And that's we have it 11 data structures that power the databases we rely on every day. From search engine to financial systems, these structures are the unsung heroes for the modern computing. Which one is fascinated you the most? Let me know in comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dive into tech magic. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.